Welcome to the Simply Finance Quiz 2014, brought to you by Tata Mutual Fund. This exclusive inter-college nationwide quiz competition on finance endeavors to create greater awareness among our youth in matters related to savings and investments, and to encourage them to develop healthy wealth creation habits from an early age. Over the past 8 weeks, we have traveled across the country, meeting with some of the brightest young minds. In our quest for our 8 semi-finalists, we have conducted shows in 8 different cities, namely Coimbatore, Chennai, Kolkata, Bengaluru, Indore, New Delhi, Bhubaneswar, and Mumbai. We received a tremendous response in each city, with teams traveling from far and wide to participate in this exhaustive hunt for India's top college quiz team on finance. Finally, after 8 weeks of exciting quizzing, we are down to our top 8. So without further ado, let us meet our 4 teams who have qualified for the first of the 2 semi-finals. At table 1, we have the Institute of Management and Technology, Ghaziabad, represented by Shaurav Ghosh and Prashant Mishra. At table 2, we have the only ladies team from Ethiraj College for Women, represented by Janni Srinivasan and Samyukta. On my left, at table 3, we have NIT Rourkela, represented by Nishant Nihar and Wasim Sajid. And at table 4, we have Osmania Medical College, Hyderabad, represented by the brothers Said Mustafa Hashmi and Said Murtuza Hashmi. Introductions over, let's move straight into our first round. This is a picture round, teams. 4 questions. Each of you, I show you a picture. You need to identify what I show you, right? 10 for a direct, 10 for a pass. Are we ready? Semi-final 1. Here goes, starting with IMT Ghaziabad. All you need to do is identify this lady. Yes?
She's Arundhati Bhattacharya. She's the CMD and chairman of SBI, State Bank of India.
You sure?
Yeah.
Absolutely right. Well done. And we started off with a bang. Plus 10 to you for Arundhati Bhattacharya as we move on to the ladies. Ladies, are you ready? Here is your picture. All you need to do is identify the logo.
Vijaya Bank.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well done. Absolutely right. Vijaya Bank it is. Remember, this is the semi-final. These teams know all the answers. Girls also picking up plus 10 as we move across to my left to NIT Rourkela. NIT Rourkela. Who's this?
Hasmukh Bhai Parekh.
No. Osmania?
Arvind Mayaram.
No. We go across to IMT. IMT is waiting to gobble it up.
It's Deepak Parekh.
Deepak Parekh. That's the correct answer. Deepak Parekh. IMT, that's an important plus 10 in the first round. As we move into the last question, last picture in this round for Osmania. Osmania, name the author. Fault lines, how hidden fractures still threaten the world economy.
Raghuram Rajan.
Raghuram Rajan, simple one over there, plus 10 to you. Round 1 over. And at the end of round 1, IMT Ghaziabad in the lead with 20. The ladies are on 10. NIT Rourkela yet to open their score. And Osmania also on 10. Moving on to round number 2. This is the Simply SIP round. This is a general round. 10 for a direct, 10 for a pass, 8 questions. We first move this way and then we move in reverse. Teams, clear? Here we go. Questions from my cards. Which bank printed Thailand's first currency note?
It's HSBC Bank.
HSBC Bank. IMT Ghaziabad seeming very confident today. You're absolutely right. HSBC it is. Well done. And as we move on to the ladies. In 1998, which mutual fund became the first to launch a gilt scheme that invested only in government bonds?
UTI Mutual Funds.
UTI, no? Moving on to NIT.
Is it Tata Mutual Funds?
Not Tata Mutual Funds.
SBI Mutual Funds.
SBI Mutual Funds, no. Coming to IMT.
LIC?
Not LIC. Oh, no one answering it over here. The answer is Kotak Mutual Funds. Sorry about that, ladies. Tough one over there. As we move across to NIT. NIT Rourkela, here is your question. The first known form of credit insurance is detailed in the civil code set up by which ruler of Babylonia?
Hammurabi.
Hammurabi's code.
Yes, I know, it's very simple. That's why without discussion, both of you in unison, Hammurabi is absolutely right. Plus 10 to you. NIT, you open your score as we move on to Osmania. Question number 4 in the Simply SIP round. Remember, this is the first semi-final. Which 11-letter word was introduced into the English language through Benjamin Disraeli's 1826 novel, Vivian Grey? Osmania.
We're guessing bankruptcy.
Bankruptcy. No. IMT.
Is it sustainable?
Sustainable. Ladies.
We say that's millionaire.
Millionaire. M-I-L-L-I-O-N-A-I-R-E. 11 letters.
10 points.
But is it the right answer?
Yes.
Unfortunately for the other teams. Girls, you're absolutely right. Millionaire it is. Well done. I thought that was a difficult one. I honestly thought no one would answer it today. But girls, you proved me wrong. Osmania, next question for you too. In pre-independent India, who was the first person to estimate the national income of the country?
Yeah, we're guessing C.D. Deshmukh.
No. NIT?
Shanmukam Chetty.
No, not the right answer. Girls?
Mahalanobis.
No.
Mahalanobis, PC Mahalanobis.
That's what they said. None of you answering it. The correct answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. Now you recall it, right, NIT? A little too late, but here is your direct. Can you get this one correct? NIT. How Money Destroyed a Wall Street Superman is the subtitle of the memoirs of whom?
Okay.
Wolf
it
of
is
Wall Street.
Wolf of Wall Street,
Jordan Belfort.
Absolutely right. Look a bit happy. That's the correct answer. Well done, Jordan Belfort it is. And as you said, the Wolf of Wall Street, as most of us across the world know him better now. As we move across to the girls from Ethiraj College for Women, here is your question. As per SEBI regulations, the level of risk is depicted by color-coded boxes. Blue is principal at low risk. Yellow means principal at medium risk. What color stands for principal at high risk?
We say that's red.
Sorry?
Red.
Red. No. IMT.
Green.
Green is your answer?
Yeah.
No, not the right answer. Osmania Medical College.
We're guessing brown.
Brown. Plus 10. That's the right answer, Osmania. I think you guessed it. I'm not too sure. But yeah, that's a very good guess. A really good guess. Brown is the right answer. Plus 10 to you. As we move into the last question in the Simply SIP round, IMT Ghaziabad. In 1969, for what specific purpose did Michael Lang rent Max Yasgur's farm for 50,000 US dollars?
It's the musical event like
Woodstock, that's what I'm waiting for. I heard you whispering it to your partner. I couldn't push you on, but you gave me the answer on the mic. Woodstock Festival is absolutely right. Friends, with that, we've come to the end of round number 2. Things are really hotting up here in semi-final number 1. Before we go into a break, here are the scores. Ethiraj Chennai on 20, NIT Rourkela 20, Osmania Medical College Hyderabad 20, but still in the lead, IMT Ghaziabad on 40. Moving into our third round. This round is called Simply NAV. This teams is a multiple choice round. 8 questions, each team I give you 3 options. If you get it right on the first try, plus 10, second try, plus 5, third try, nothing, just a smile. Okay, are we ready to go? 8 questions, like the last round, we first move this way and then in reverse order. We start with you, IMT Ghaziabad. IMT Ghaziabad, your 3 options are people, banyan, neem. The English word of which Indian tree originated from the Sanskrit term for man of the trading?
It's B, banyan.
It's B, banyan.
and the word is bania.
From Banya.
Yeah.
You're giving me the background to it also.
Yeah.
then I have to give you plus 10 because you're absolutely right. Banyan is the right answer. Well done, IMT Ghaziabad. As we move on to the ladies from ECW. Bernard Mandeville, Adam Smith, John Stuart Mill. Which 18th century economist noted that a man would invest his wealth in the enterprise most likely to help him earn the highest return for a given risk level?
We say that's Bernard Mandeville.
You're going with Bernard Mandeville. Let's have a look. No, not the right option. You're left with 2 options. You're left with 5 points. Which are you going for?
Adam Smith.
Sure. Plus 5 to you for Adam Smith as we move on to NIT Rourkela. Have an IPO, provide medical insurance, implement excise duty. Those are your 3 options. In 1602, the Dutch East India Company was the first in recorded history to do which of these?
Have an IPO.
Let's have a look. Have an IPO is the right answer. As we move to Osmania Medical College, these are your 3 options. Time, imagination, knowledge. Fill in the blank to complete this Benjamin Franklin quote. An investment in blank pays the best interest.
Time.
Time. Let's have a look. No, not the right answer. Yes, Osmania.
Imagination.
Imagination. You're moving in sequence. Let's have a look. No. Knowledge is the correct answer. Here is your next direct, because remember, we are in reverse order in the Simply NAV round at the first semi-final. Tobin's Q ratio, Cook ratio, trainer ratio. Your question, Osmania. Which of these ratios measures returns earned in excess of that which could have been earned on a riskless investment per each unit of market risk?
We are going for trainer ratio.
Trainer, you say? Let's have a look. Absolutely right. Trainer it is. Well done, Osmania. As we move on to NIT Rourkela. NIT, red chili, saffron, black pepper. The world's most traded spice, accounting for 20% of all spice imports, is which? Is it red chili, is it saffron, or is it black pepper?
Red chili.
Red chili. If it turns red, you're incorrect. Let's have a look. Red chili turning red. No, not the right answer. Going for a +5. Saffron, black pepper.
Saffron.
Again, you're doing the sequential order like Osmania Medical College. Let's have a look. Black pepper is the right answer. Sorry about that, NIT Rourkela. We move across from Etiraj College for Women. Ladies, here are your 3 options. Currency, stamps, bullion. Seigniorage is the profit made by a government by issuing what? Especially the difference between its face value and its production costs.
We say that's currency.
You say that's currency. Let's see what our computer says. Does our computer say currency? Yes, it does. You're absolutely right. Well done. +10 to you, ladies. As we move on to IMT Ghaziabad, last question in this Simply NAV round. Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Bairam Shah. Which ruler of the slave dynasty was known as Lakbaksh due to his generous nature?
It's Kutubuddin Aibak, A.
Let's have a look if you're correct. You're absolutely right. IMT Ghaziabad, +10 to you. With that, we've come to the end of round number 3. After that really exciting round, here are the scores. NIT Rourkela, Osmania Hyderabad, both on 30 apiece. With 5 points ahead are the ladies from Etiraj Chennai on 35, but with a nice, comfortable margin on 60, IMT Ghaziabad. That's the scores as we move into our last round. This is the Simply Trigger round. This is the final round. This is the buzzer round. 10 questions. After the first 5 questions, we'll have a look at the scores and then move into our last 5 questions. Remember, this is the Simply Finance quiz brought to you by Tata Mutual Fund. This is semi-final number 1. The New York Stock Exchange ticker symbol for which business is appropriately named BID? Osmania gone for it.
Sotheby's.
Sotheby's, absolutely right. Sotheby's is the correct answer. BID or BID gets you plus 10. Okay, question number 2. In 1926, which British Chancellor of the Exchequer introduced IMT Ghaziabad?
James Keynes.
In 1926, which British Chancellor of the Exchequer introduced a tax on betting? The correct answer is later to become Prime Minister, Winston Churchill. Sorry about that, IMT Ghaziabad. You move down to 50. Okay? Osmania, you're within 10 of them. Question number 3. According to SEBI, the NAV of a scheme is calculated and published in a minimum of how many daily newspapers at intervals not exceeding a week? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Question cancelled. The answer is 2. Okay? Teams playing safe. It's still close. Still any team can win over here on stage. Remember, we are looking for 2 teams to go into the grand finale. So 2 teams from here. Question number 4. Which Indian economist won the Nobel Prize for Economics?
Amartya Sen.
Amartya Sen. Which Indian economist won the Nobel Prize for Economics in an episode of The Simpsons?
Jagdish Bhagwati.
Yes? Jagdish Bhagwati. You know you're incorrect. Sorry about Osmania. You've gone back to 30. Ooh, how crucial was that question? We'll know in a bit. But here is question number 5. In India, celebrities cannot endorse mutual funds. Am I serious or am I joking? NIT gone for it.
You're serious.
Yes, NIT.
Serious.
Serious?
Gravestone or tombstone as they're called.
You're absolutely right. Serious is the correct answer. Plus 10 to you, NIT. At the end of the first 5 questions, IMT Ghaziabad on 50. The girls, if I'm not mistaken, you're still on 35. NIT Rourkela, you move up to 40. Osmania, you are now 30. Am I right? 5 questions to go. Are we ready? The last 5 questions. Question number 6. 2013, who became the chairman of the 14th Finance Commission of India? All playing safe. Y.V. Reddy is the correct answer. So no one answering question number 6. We move on to the next question. Harvey Firestone, Henry Ford, and which other inventor, the 3 leaders of US IMT?
Thomas Alva Edison.
Or IMT, the 3 leaders of US industry formed the Millionaires Club and took holidays together. You said Thomas Edison. You're absolutely right, plus 10. You move back to 60. Well done, IMT Ghaziabad. I think you've assured yourself of a place in the final, but we move on to question number 8. What is the term used for signing and accepting liability under an insurance policy, thus guaranteeing payment in case of loss or damage, underwrite or overwrite? Which of the 2?
Underwrite.
Gone for it, the ladies.
Underwrite.
Underwrite, you said. Underwrite it is. Well done, plus 10. Okay. 2 questions to go. Here is the penultimate question in the first of 2 semi-finals. The Fazli era chronological system was devised by which Mughal emperor for land revenue purposes in northern India? You had to go for this, Osmania. Your answer immediately.
We are going with Jahangir.
You're going with Jahangir. In doubt, Jahangir is not the right answer, Osmania. Sorry about that. The correct answer is what my history teacher told me, Akbar. 1 question to go. You hit the buzzer, answer correct, they are in. You hit the buzzer, answer incorrect, you are in. Okay? All permutation combinations covered. Here is the final question. The diplomatic enclave in New Delhi is named
Chanakya.
after which legendary economist and advisor of Chandragupta Maurya? Chanakya it is. Chanakyapuri was the answer. NIT Rourkela, give them a round of applause. They are the second team into the finals. Spare a thought for the young ladies over here who were leading till that last question. Sorry about that, girls, not making it into the finals. But the finalists today, IMT Ghaziabad and NIT Rourkela. Friends, may I take this opportunity to thank Tata Mutual Fund for conceiving this unique and wonderful quiz. Congratulations to all the 4 institutions who competed today. From all of us at Tata Mutual Fund, Z Business, and me, Andrew Skolt from Derek O'Brien and Associates, goodbye, take care, stay happy, and remember, invest wisely.